In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send fireworks, lasers, balloons, and more in iMessage on your iPhone using iOS 10. This works if you're using models as old as the iPhone 5s right up to the iPhone 8, as long as you have iOS 10 installed. Let's dive into this fun feature called Screen Effects, which adds a vibrant and visually exciting element to your messages. First, begin by opening your Messages app. This is the familiar green icon that's likely already sitting on your home screen. Once you're in, it's business as usual as you start typing your message. It could be something celebratory and lively like happy birthday or congrats, anything that might be enhanced with a burst of graphics. Now, instead of just tapping the send button to deliver your message, you're going to press and hold it. The send button is the blue arrow situated on the right side of your text box. Pressing and holding the blue arrow unlocks a secret menu that might not be immediately obvious. You'll see two intriguing options appear at the top of your screen: bubble and screen. In this particular tutorial, our focus is on the Screen tab, so go ahead and tap on that. Once you do that, you'll be transported into a dynamic selection of visuals. This is where iMessage screen effects really shine. By swiping left, you can explore a series of animated screen effects. You have several choices here, from vibrant balloons floating up across the screen to the dazzling spectacle of fireworks, the exhilarating atmosphere of a celebration, and the futuristic beams of lasers. Each of these effects adds a unique touch to your ordinary message, turning it into something memorable and engaging. Take your time and explore each effect. Feel free to see what resonates with you or what you think will bring a smile to the recipient's face. Once you've made your selection and you can envision the perfect effect accompanying your message, the next step is easy. Simply tap the send button again to deliver your animated masterpiece. And that's it, you've turned a simple message into a creative and vivid display that's sure to catch attention and add a spectacular flair to any conversation. Whether it's a birthday greeting or a congratulatory note, Screen Effects lets you convey emotions and excitement in a whole new way. Enjoy experimenting with these fun options and make your messages stand out. Remember, this is a fantastic way to enhance your connections and express your feelings with a bit of style and fun. Thank you for tuning in, and happy messaging.